Today we're going to talk about 5 things not to say to someone with anxiety. Most of us have good intentions when we're trying to help a friend or a family member with their anxiety. But saying something, just insensitive really damages relationships and perpetuates shame and isolation. I'm Angela Howard, and I am passionate about breaking the stigma of mental illness among fellow Christians. I'm here to help you live a more purposeful life in your relationship with God and with one another. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming updates. 5 things not to say to someone with anxiety. Number 1, just suck it up and push through it. Oh, this kind of tough love inspiration really doesn't work with anxiety disorders. Pressuring them to ignore their symptoms can eventually lead to a panic attack, which makes things much worse. Number 2, everyone feels stressed out sometimes. While it's true that everyone feels stress and anxiety at times, that's very different from an anxiety disorder that's been diagnosed. And so making this kind of unfair comparison really belittles a person's experience. Number 3 is just try harder. Although there's no formula that causes anxiety, you're looking at personal history, genetics, and also a family history. And so all of those factors really contribute to why someone is struggling with anxiety. You would never tell someone that has a broken arm, just try harder and that's your solution. And so don't do the same thing with someone who is struggling with anxiety. Number 4, you were fine a minute ago and now you're freaking out. Well, anxiety doesn't have some sort of perfect time clock that makes sense to the person suffering or the person who is walking through that with them. So if a person could just stop dealing with it right then and could just, arrest those symptoms, they would definitely do it. But it just isn't that simple. Number 5, you shouldn't let medication be a crutch. Oh, I just hate that. Medication is basically a tool for you to use. And most of the time, it's not a quick fix to, just absolutely take away all your symptoms. But it's part of the pathway toward healing. It is definitely not a crutch. I love what it says in Proverbs 13:3. Those who control their tongue will have a long life. Opening your mouth can ruin everything. I'm pretty sure that all of us can relate to that. What would you add to the list of things not to say to someone with anxiety? Comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos. I'll be sharing some great tips and encouragement whether you're suffering or have a loved one who is. I'll see you next time.